All nature is cool. Hey guys, it's me Kruta, and today we are hiking in Beskydy near the Slovakian border, and the fall is in full swing now. It is the last weekend of October and the colors are magnificent, so beautiful. I think it's gonna be like 2 more weeks max before all the leaves are gone. Nice animal watching spot with a beautiful view. And we just found a mushroom, and I think it's edible. Imagine living there. Oh my god, that's like a dream come true. We are thinking of taking this shortcut. It should be like 300 meters up to the actual peak, but this road is not in the map, so it's kind of a lottery, you know. I'm not sure what he's eating, but pretty rough uphill. Look at those dead trees. We just found a jaw with a piece of a head. Look, he's curious, of course. It's not a head. Oh. Bit of teeth. A little bit of mist. Time for a little dog snack. Dried chicken meat. That's a cool mushroom. Time for a little tea break. It is kind of chilly today. I had to bring the hat. It is like 6-7 degrees maybe. Yeah, the peak is just there, but the little forest looks pretty impenetrable, so we have to go around and we should come to a road. But I mean, I don't think there's much to see on this peak, so we'll see. I love the sun and warm weather, but this is so beautiful, amazing. All of the trees here are dead. That's kind of sad. That rhymes, right? We are at the peak. It is a part of nature reservation because of the birds. That's cool. So this is the actual peak, and like I said, not much to see here, but pretty cool anyway. All nature is cool. So now we are gonna continue that way, just under the ridge line. There should be a little waterfall somewhere around here, and then we should continue and come up, and we should come to the ridge line somewhere around here to check some of the rocks. It is getting a bit windy, but the rain actually missed us, so that's nice. A lot of fallen trees here. I mean, no wonder if today's wind is anything to go by. Even the smaller mountains can be very beautiful, especially in fall. First little creek of today. There's quite a bit of water because it's been raining for the past few days. That was a pretty nice creek. The next creek is where the waterfall is. So I am here at the waterfall now. Waterfall. I had to get down this pretty steep hill, but it was worth it. Pretty cool. Here is the stream with the waterfall on my right, and another stream without a waterfall to my left, and some rocks in front of me. That was pretty cool waterfall in the middle of the forest. And now we are hiking towards some rocks. I don't know how are they called really, but it's like 2 kilometers from here. But the weather, it was actually starting to shine. I mean, the sun was starting to shine like half an hour ago, but then the clouds came and I'm afraid we are going to get wet. That is the actual peak that we hiked today, Uplas. So that's the cottage that we walked by earlier when I said that's my dream, and that is the peak Uplas, and we walked all the way around until we came here. So we are here like literally next to the rocks, and the weather is taking a bad turn actually. It is starting to drip now. We have like 3 or 4 kilometers left to the car, so that's about 13 total. That's a decent hike for the dogs. That's decent. So yeah, I think we are just gonna enjoy the rocks for a bit and then try to outrun the rain. So we are here on the top, but I see no rocks. I see beautiful views, sure, but I wanted rocks with my beautiful view. Seems like I'm out of luck today. Yeah, something is coming. The clouds there and the wind so swift. Time to go home, I think. That's the rock. Nice. Pretty nice. Rock climbers obviously come here, as you can see by the thingy. I forgot the name, sorry. As always, thank you all for joining us and the dogs. If you liked the video, please like or dislike, subscribe, comment, and I will see you again soon. Can you smell the fall?